Now, a fraudster involved in a so-called crash for cash insurance scam has been jailed for 4.5 years. A judge described his crimes as wicked, with no thought given to the victims. Mohammed Patel from Bolton pleaded guilty to conspiracy to defraud after staging a series of accidents at a roundabout in Cheadle near Manchester. Well, Sky's Michelle May is in Cheadle in Manchester. Michelle.
Well, this is certainly one of the biggest car insurance scams ever uncovered in the UK. We're on the roundabout in question. It's on the A34 in Cheadle in Cheshire. And this is where Mohammed Patel carried out the majority of his staged accidents. He charged £500 a go for them. But it wasn't police or accident or insurance investigators who caught up with Patel. It was nosy office workers who uncovered the scale of the fraud.
Under police surveillance, Mohammed Patel thought to be organising his next accident by phone. He staged at least 92 car crashes. Detectives believe it could be as many as 400. Again and again, he was involved in near-identical accidents, as many as 2 or 3 in a day, even wearing the same clothes. It was nosy workers who spotted the same man having the same accident on the roundabout outside their Cheshire office and began taking photographs. White van driver Kevin Mayer was heading to work when he crashed into Patel, who had a passenger.
The driver and the passenger got out and rather comically had hold of their necks and were quite lethargic getting out of the cars, obviously feigning injury. One thing looking back now that sort of sticks in my mind is they were calm, collected, and sort of as if they'd been through it before.
Patel went through it again an hour later. There's no visible damage to the Mercedes as he drives away. Yet this is the same car after an insurance claim was filed. 2 people claim to be injured who weren't even there. Scams like this take advantage of the commonly held belief that if you drive into the back of someone's car, it's automatically your fault. Now, in this case, Patel would drive onto a roundabout and deliberately slam on his brakes so the car behind would hit him. Because of the slow speeds involved, there'd be little damage or injuries. But insurance claims would say otherwise. Similar scams are widespread in the UK. In this incident, a gang in London targets a lorry. Their car overtakes it, pulls in front of another car just ahead of the truck and brakes hard. The lorry can't avoid hitting the vehicle in front. An estimated 30,000 staged or invented car accidents are reported to insurers every year. Fraudulent claims for these total around £350 million, adding an average £44 to every policy in the UK. Investigations continue into others who benefited alongside Mohammed Patel. He earned himself £46,000 buying his girlfriend 2 luxury cars. We, the insurance-paying public, are quite literally paying for his and other fraudsters' greed. Now, the judge described Patel as the linchpin of a £1.6 million fraud, because that's how much his accidents cost insurers in this country. He was sentenced to 4.5 years. The judge described him as wicked and said that he was disgusted and sick and tired, as were all motorists in this country, of this kind of behaviour.